Hey Marina.
Hi.
Hi Marina. Chupa Marina.
Marina.
Marina. Alright, so I thought it would be a cool idea if we show our friends and family out there what we have in our fridge at this time, what goodies we made.
Yes.
You ready to show them?
Yep.
Alright. Let's see. What do we have here?
This is crackers.
Cool. Crackers. Yeah, look at that. This was fun to make, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, some tomato and zucchini there. Alright, and here, these are some of our snacks, huh?
This is a dehydrated pineapple.
Dehydrated pineapples, and this is?
Dehydrated apples.
Dehydrated apples. Look at that, still intact. Nice. And here, what do we have here?
Kale chips.
Kale chips. Wow. Very.
And sauerkraut. Pink sauerkraut.
Some pink sauerkraut. More pink sauerkraut. Let's see. Look at that. You want to taste some? Nice.
Nom.
Alright. What else do we have here? Look at this stuff.
That's yogurt.
Yogurt? But I thought you say you don't eat milk.
Coconut yogurt.
Coconut yogurt. Look at that. And we make it in this nice containers here. And we have enough to last. And does it taste like yogurt or what?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah. It's sour?
And
okay.
This is it's jelly. It's jelly.
It's jelly, you sure? Alright, so we have Molly, what jelly we have here?
Blackberry jelly.
Blackberry jelly.
Yeah.
And what did you put in it?
I just blended the blackberries with honey, and I put a little bit of psyllium.
Nice, psyllium. To thicken it, a natural thickener. And these are the blackberries we got from the garden, huh? That we went to pick. With the doggies.
And this is granola.
Granola. And what's in this granola, Marina?
And there is oatmeal, of course. Raisins.
Raisins.
And
pumpkin seeds.
pumpkins.
And we also have some almonds and some hazelnuts.
Yeah.
And some sesame seeds.
Yeah,
and some flax seeds.
Yeah, but this one has
Right.
No, it's the other one.
Oh, it's the plums.
Yeah.
Dry plums. Come on.
We ate all of the raisins.
Is it crispy?
Yes.
Let's see. Alright. So Molly, is this yogurt sour or what?
Yeah, it's just like yogurt. It tastes the same.
Yeah. No, I don't think Marina knows what sour is. Sour.
Of course.
I don't think she ever tasted the other.
Yeah, no, that's right. She never tasted the other yogurt.
Yeah.
Never one knows it.
Actually, when she was young, she did. She did. We used to buy her those yogurt plates or whatever. Anyway, it's a long time ago, 4 years ago. All right, what else we have here?
Cookies.
Cookies? Did you make these cookies? Did you bake them? Huh?
No.
No.
Dehydrate them.
Dehydrate.
Like all of these stuff.
So who made these cookies for us, huh?
My friend. She's old.
She's older than you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
Her name is Anasha.
Cool. So our friend Anasha made these beautiful almond chocolate cookies. Yeah, so we live in a place where people make stuff like the way we eat, huh? That's pretty cool. All right, and what do we? I just made this today. What is that? Look at that.
That's fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad?
Fruit salad. All right, so we just made fruit salad with some passion fruit and mangoes and papayas. So that's the kind of stuff we eat. All this goodies we have. Molly, anything else we have? Oh yeah, we just made ice cream, didn't we?
Oh, the ice cream, yeah.
All right, let's see. Pull out that ice cream.
Ice cream?
So we make this stuff in bunches, and we save it, you know, and
Yes. How it became crunchy?
oh, where did it go?
I ate it.
Marina ate this ice cream. It's chocolate ice cream, and it's pretty hard. Look at that.
I want some.
Uh-oh. Here she is. Chocolate ice cream, and it's cold and creamy, and no milk, huh?
Good.
All right, I'll take the rest.
No.
Cool. So, Molly, good job making most of these things. Well, we work together, don't we?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Well, just so we show you guys what we have in our kitchen and all these goodies. Most of the stuff we know exactly where it came from. This is yogurt.
But anyway, we know where all of the things come
We'll
from.
be showing in the future how to make some of this stuff, huh?
Yeah. If you guys want to know how we make some of these things, just send us some comments. But we can make all these things, not a problem. Crackers, ice cream, granola, yogurts, chips. It's all possible. And all naturally. Because we are all natural beings, aren't we?
Yeah.
Or are you artificial? Let me see. Are you artificial? Huh?
No.
You artificial? Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.